Good morning, everybody. Today I am here with the topic how to write practical copies. It's examination time. We'll have to write our practical copies for SA1. So let's start from today how we will write. This is for all the students. We have to write how to write practical. For that we'll take one practical copy. We will take one practical copy, and in the first, after when we open it, we get this. And from where we will start? We will start from this page. On the left side we are having white paper, and on the right side we are having ruling paper. On the left side we will draw the related figure, and on the right side we will proceed pointwise. On the top of the paper we will write experiment number, date and page number, and after that we will start writing pointwise. Name of the experiment. First we will write name of the experiment, underline that and write down the name of the experiment. Whatever topic given, here you will write name. That will be the name of the experiment. Second point, apparatus required. Second point, apparatus required. Which apparatus we need? There we will write the name of particular apparatus required. Next point, things required or chemicals required. If we are writing chemistry practical and we need some chemicals, there we will write down the name of the chemicals required. If chemicals are not required, just write down the things required, name of the things what you need. After that, theory. What is the theory of the given practical? And then procedure. Do try to write down the procedure in short way. Okay? Procedure. Procedure will take 1 page or 2 page, whatever, depending on the name of the topic of the practical. Turn the page. After that, after completing the whole topic, we will write observation, then precaution, and finally conclusion. If the practical contains any table or related measurements, that also we will include before conclusion. Conclusion should be written in the last. Conclusion and precaution in the last. Followed, children? This is for physics, chemistry and biology all. You have to write practical for physics, chemistry and biology in same practical copy. You will get 3 topics, one from physics, one from chemistry and one from biology. Follow, children? And all the children will follow this how to write the practical copy. And for standard 9 and 10, students of standard 9 and 10, listen carefully. You people will write the 3 practicals in 3 different practical copies. One for physics, one for chemistry and one for biology. But follow the same rule. Follow, children? And in 9 and 10, if you want to write biology practical in leaf system, you can write in leaf system. For more detail, you can contact your biology teacher. How to write in leaf followed, but I think but same procedure will be followed. Left side we will draw the figure related figures, and on the right side we will describe about the related figure in biology. Followed, children? I will give you the photograph, the pic of the related points, how to write practicals. Followed, children? Thank you.